Hello students, in this video we will talk about second redox titration, that is the titration between KMnO4 solution and more salt solution. First we will discuss theory part. The aim of the redox titration is to determine the strength of given KMnO4 solution by titrating it against m by 10 a standard solution of more salt. You have to prepare a standard solution yourself in 100 milliliter standard flask. These are the calculations to prepare a standard solution. This is molarity, W is the mass of the more salt, 392 is the molecular mass of the more salt. This is 100, we have to prepare standard solution in 100 milliliter standard flask multiplied by 1000. On doing calculation, the mass of more salt comes 3.92 gram. आपको क्या करना है? Weigh more salt precisely and transfer into 100 milliliter standard flask carefully. इसमें concentrated sulfuric acid immediately आपको डालना है. And then add water, dissolve it properly. तो सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड कितना डालना है उसमें लाइट ग्रीन कलर दिखाई देना चाहिए, ठीक है, कोई भी ब्राउन कलर नहीं दिखना चाहिए. तो आपको सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड तब तक डालना है जब तक लाइट ग्रीन कलर इज मेंटेन. Then add water, dissolve it and then add water up to the mark. चलिए अब हम करते हैं एक्सपेरिमेंटल पार्ट. फर्स्ट वी विल प्रिपेयर स्टैंडर्ड सॉल्यूशन ऑफ मोर सॉल्ट. हमने अपनी बैलेंस को ऑन कर दिया. देखिए 0 पे ये सेट हो गया. We have to weigh 3.92 gram. It is 3.90. Now we have to be very careful. This is 3.92 gram exact. We will take clean spatula. We will transfer it into funnel carefully. कोई क्रिस्टल ना रह जाए. हम थोड़ा सा पानी डालेंगे. Now we will add concentrated sulfuric acid immediately. Mix it well. देखिए it is light green in color. Remove funnel. Dissolve it. कोई भी क्रिस्टल इसकी नेक में नहीं लगा होना चाहिए. Dissolve it carefully. Then add water up to the mark. देखिए water is up to the mark. This is mark. इस मार्किंग तक हमें लोअर मेनिस्कस टच करना चाहिए था, ठीक है. दिस इज आवर स्टैंडर्ड सॉल्यूशन रेडी. नाउ वी विल मिक्स इट. देन वी विल ट्रांसफर इट इनटू दिस बीकर. वी विल रिंस द बीकर. देन वी विल take this more salt solution into this beaker. Now what will we do? Now we will wash the burettes, we will rinse the burettes, and then we will fill one of the burette with KMnO4 solution and one of the burette with more salt solution. देखिए both the burettes are up to the mark. In the case of KMnO4 we can read upper meniscus, तो 0 point को touch कर रहा है. देखिए this is up to the mark और ये भी up to the mark. Now we will start titration. This is titration flask. We will take 1 milliliter of more salt solution. Then we will add 1 milliliter of sulfuric acid. इस टेस्ट ट्यूब में मैंने 1 milliliter का मार्क कर लिया with the help of burette. अब मैं sulfuric acid इसी मार्क के अकॉर्डिंगली लूंगी. We will take 1 milliliter. This is 1 milliliter. We will add 1 milliliter of sulfuric acid. Transfer it. Mix well. And then add KMnO4 dropwise. देखिए एंड पॉइंट बस आने ही वाला है. वी विल एड 1 ड्रॉप केयरफुली. लाइट पिंक कलर इज ऑब्टेन्ड. मैंने व्हाइट पेपर इसीलिए लिया है जिससे कि हम पिंक कलर देख सकें. वी विल note the reading of KMnO4 and we will take 3 concordant reading. Volume is coming 0.8 milliliter. We will repeat same experiment until we get 3 concordant readings. Now I will tell you the calculation part. You will record like this in tabular form. This is more salt. We are taking each time 1 milliliter of more salt solution in titration flask and we are adding KMnO4 dropwise till light pink permanent color is obtained. तो मेरी रीडिंग में 0.8 milliliter concordant reading थी. I recorded that. This is the equation. E1 is the number of electrons of KMnO4 exchanged. The oxidation state of manganese changes from +7 to +2. 5 electrons change. तो हम E1 की वैल्यू लेंगे 5. KMnO4 का वॉल्यूम 0.8 and for more salt there is only 1 electron exchange. It changes from ferrous to ferric. Ferrous to ferric there is 1 electron change. Put all the values, find the molarity of KMnO4, then find its strength by multiplying with 158 units will be gram per liter. In the last, you will write the result. Now I will discuss molecular equations and ionic equations involved in the redox titration. These equations are, this is molecular equation, this one is reduction half reaction. Potassium permanganate reacts with sulfuric acid and 5 nascent oxygen atoms are produced. This nascent oxygen reacts with more salt and ferrous sulfate changes into ferric sulfate. This nascent oxygen oxidizes ferrous to ferric, and this is the net reaction. Now I will give you ionic equation. This is the ionic equation. This one is reduction half reaction. Gaining of 5 electrons is taking place and the oxidation state of manganese is changing from +7 to +2. And this is oxidation half reaction. Ferrous ion oxidizes to ferric ion, and this is the net ionic equation. In this redox titration, potassium permanganate acts as a powerful oxidizing agent in acidic medium because there is a 5 electron change, and that is possible only in acidic medium. For acidic medium, we can use only sulfuric acid. We can't use hydrochloric acid and nitric acid. Hydrochloric acid reacts with potassium permanganate and chlorine gas is released. Chlorine gas acts as an oxidizing agent, and if we use nitric acid itself acts as an oxidizing agent. तो बच्चों, आपने एक बात नोटिस की, आज की टाइट्रेशन में हमने कोई इंडिकेटर यूज नहीं किया. Why? Because potassium permanganate acts as a self-indicator. Why KMnO4 can act as a self-indicator? Because potassium permanganate has different colors in different oxidation states. In +7 oxidation state, it is purple in color. In +2 oxidation state, it is colorless. तो इसी प्रॉपर्टी का फायदा उठाते हैं and KMnO4 acts as a self-indicator. देखिए, how KMnO4 reacts with hydrochloric acid and chlorine gases released. Consider these points. Indicator KMnO4 acts as a self indicator. आज की टाइट्रेशन में ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट की तरह कौन काम करता है? पोटेशियम परमैंगनेट. रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट की तरह कौन काम करता है? मोर सॉल्ट. एंड व्हाट इज द एंड पॉइंट? व्हाट इज द चेंज इन द कलर? दैट इज कलरलेस टू पिंक. Pink color is due to the extra drop of potassium permanganate. In this equation, what is E1, M1, V1 and what is E2, M2, V2? E1 is the number of electrons gained per formula unit of potassium permanganate. M1 is the molarity of KMnO4 जो हमें कैलकुलेट करनी है. V1 is the volume of KMnO4 means concordant reading. E2 is the number of electrons lost per formula unit of mole salt. M2 is the molarity of mole salt solution जो हमने स्टैंडर्ड सॉल्यूशन बनाया है, एंड V2 इज द वॉल्यूम ऑफ मोल सॉल्ट सॉल्यूशन टेकन, एंड व्हाट इज दैट? दैट इज 1 मिलीलीटर. अभी थोड़ी देर पहले मैंने आपको कैलकुलेशंस में बताया ही था व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ E1 5, और अभी आयोनिक इक्वेशन के अंदर भी बताया मैंने. द वैल्यू ऑफ E1 इज 5 एंड द वैल्यू ऑफ E2 इज 1. Now I will give you the procedure. This is the procedure बच्चों. Procedure का कुछ पार्ट मैंने स्टार्टिंग में ही डिस्कस किया था, how to prepare the standard solution, and this is the rest of the part of the procedure. We performed the experiment at micro scale. We used 2 microburates of 5 milliliter, and the least count of each burate is 0.05 milliliter. So what is the first point of the procedure? Clean the burate, wash it with distilled water, and then rinse it with potassium permanganate solution and clamp it. In the microburate, solution is filled with the help of dropper or with the help of syringe. The dropper or syringe should be cleaned and rinsed properly. In the next step, remove the air gap if any. KMnO4 is a dark liquid. We can't read lower meniscus. तो जो रीडिंग हमें लेनी होती है वो अपर मेनिस्कस की लेनी होती है. You have to keep the level of I exactly at the upper meniscus of potassium permanganate solution. Next point, repeat the procedure taking more salt solution in another burette. Note the initial reading. In the case of more salt solution, you have to take the lower meniscus reading. After that, take 1 milliliter of more salt solution in titration flask. Titration flask को rinse नहीं करना है. Add 1 milliliter of 1 molar sulfuric acid. Add potassium permanganate solution till permanent pink color is obtained. And you have to repeat the titration until 3 concordant readings are obtained. So बच्चों, in this titration you are using sulfuric acid at 2 places. Number 1, during the preparation of standard solution. During the preparation of standard solution, you have to use concentrated sulfuric acid. What is the purpose of adding sulfuric acid at this point? To prevent the hydrolysis of more salt. And second, during titration, after taking 1 milliliter of more salt solution in titration flask, you are adding sulfuric acid, that is 1 molar sulfuric acid. Precautions and viva voice questions I will give you in the description box of the video. और बच्चों एक और redox titration KMnO4 versus oxalic acid I discussed in the last video. I hope बच्चों आपको एक्सपेरिमेंट ठीक से समझ आ गया होगा और कैलकुलेशन पार्ट मैंने पहले ही डिस्कस कर लिया. तो बच्चों मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में विथ सम न्यू अदर एक्टिविटी.